I usually pour directly, but for this video, I'm using major cup. This is just for myself, so I will just do 3 cups. So this is a medium grain that I got from Australia. This rice has the closest Japanese or Korean rice. So when I crave the Korean rice taste, I get medium grain. In Korea, white salt, white sugar, and white rice are considered 3 major toxic. So there are many households mix white rice with other grain, or actually eat brown rice. Or personal favorite is black rice. I'm gonna add black, so I'm gonna mix black rice with white rice. We're gonna wash rice. This is a quick trick to measure rice to water ratio. So you put your palm in the rice and then have water just your fingers are underneath. So this is about 1 to 1.5 ratio. When I add hard grains like beans or even brown rice, I tend to add a bit of more water to 1 to 1.7 ratio. It makes everything cooks properly without having hard texture. And then we're gonna let it soak for 30 minutes. It's been more than 30 minutes. Gonna start cooking rice. While the rice is cooking, I'm gonna prepare the ingredients for bibimbap. Generally, the most common ingredients for bibimbap are spinach, eggs, mushroom, beef, and other ingredients. Bibim means mix and bam means rice. So it's like mixed rice. So literally you can use any ingredients that you want to mix with rice. For today, I'm gonna use mushroom, onion, carrots, and radish. I'm gonna boil eggs, maybe 2 eggs. I'm gonna use wasabi peas, and then some salad leaves that I need to use quick. All these are organics. I'm gonna pan fry mushroom, onions, carrots, and then eggs. Rest of the ingredients will be enjoyed freshly. And then later, I'm gonna add the green tea leaves that I've been drinking, and then use the leaves as veggies for my bibimbap. Things are about to be done. I add this mushroom. Ingredients are cooking. Rice is done. I'm gonna separate it. And decorate the rice with the ingredients. Oopsie. I'm gonna put wasabi peas, put veggies. In the middle, I'm gonna put green tea leaves and then eggs. I'm gonna use sesame oil this time. I'll add an egg to fry. You can use high heat, you cannot burn the leaves, so I'm using low. You can directly put the leaves into your bibimbap, but this time I'll pan fry. While tea leaves and eggs are cooking, gonna prepare seasoning. For bibimbap, gochujang is the most commonly used seasoning. It's made of chili powder. However, if you read the ingredient clearly, it's more about sugary stuff rather than the real ingredients. So I'm not a big fan of using Korean gochujang that's mass produced. Same with the soy sauce that's mass produced. So when I eat bibimbap, I sprinkle some sesame oil and eat as is. If I want some, when I crave salt, I use tamari sauce. If I crave spice and sour taste, which I love, I use turmeric powder and apple cider vinegar. Whatever sauce you choose, you can kind of mix it around and then like this. Sprinkle turmeric powder and then 1 tablespoon of apple cider. Ready? Bibim means what? Ingredients.